Hi, thank you very much for your purchase. Please click on the button. Click Make a Copy. It will bring you to the instruction page. This spreadsheet consists of Inventory Tracker, Easy Bookkeeping and Task Tracker. Click here for YouTube tutorial. Click here to contact us for any inquiries. Click on the button, it will bring you to designated tab. Please enter your currency and year for the template. Please enter your company name, address and bank information. It will be auto-updated in invoice and purchase order. Please navigate your setup for Inventory Tracker, Bookkeeping and Task Tracker. Please enter bank, material, product category and unit. Please insert your company logo here. It will auto-update it in the invoice and purchase order. Please enter income and expense category. You may select your favorite icon here. Please enter task category, status and person in charge. There are 4 icons for you to select. Please enter bank account here. The income from bookkeeping and revenue from sales with auto updated here. You may transact the fund between the banks here. It will auto update it in table above. Please enter your raw material here. You may enter up to 1,000 inputs. Please enter product name, category, SKU, price, unit and quantity. Please enter your minimum quantity, current quantity. It will remind you if stock is low quantity. Set the date to reorder the stock. You may filter the material information here. Please enter product name, category, SKU, selling price, quantity, minimum quantity. Enter your product cost of material, labor, equipment and other fee. You may find your revenue and profit margin here. You may select the status for the product. Filter the product information here. Here comes the bill of material. Select your product and enter the material used. The price calculator allows you to calculate product COGS and profit margin. Please select your product. You may select product selling price option here. Please enter idea price, profit margin, selling price, discount, sales tax. You may monitor the price by selecting the option. The material will auto-updated based on BOM. Please tick the checkbox if the material is used. Per unit of product instead of number of batch. Please enter the labor cost here. Please enter the equipment cost here. Enter other fees if required. You may check the COGS of product here. Please update the client information here. The client information will auto-updated in invoice. It also monitors the client's most recent order and total amount. Here comes the vendor tracker. Please enter the vendor information and their respective materials supplied. The purchase order will auto-update it if the material stock is low. Please enter invoice number, client name and the product purchased. You may enter up to 10 products in the invoice. Don't forget to enter discount, sales tax, shipping cost. Enter the amount if the client has already prepaid for the order. The amount will be auto-updated in the Bank tab. The invoice will be auto-generated by selecting the invoice number. Press CT at L+P. Print out the invoice in A4 size. The purchase order list will auto-update the material will low quantity. Please enter the PO number and date to generate the purchase order. Select the PO number here. The purchase order will update automatically. Press CT at L+P to print out in A4 size. The order and sales tracker summarizes the monthly order status and product sales per month. Please enter your target revenue for the next 5 years. It will automatically compare the actual revenue with target revenue. Select the drop-down to monitor the revenue for the 5-year. Enter your milestone here. Please enter income category, cost and bank receivable. The milestone will auto-updated based on input from income log. Click the checkbox if you have achieved the milestone. Compare the target revenue with actual revenue from the graph. Please enter expense category, amount, and bank provenance. You may track the sales tax year. The monthly taxes are auto-updated. The monthly dashboard provides a summary of the month's income and expenses. You may select the month and the year here. You have exceeded the target revenue in March. You may monitor the annual summary from the annual dashboard. Please select the year for the tab here. You have achieved 12% of your 2025 milestone. You can view the income and expense for each category by month. Here is the summary of cash flow of the year. Welcome to the 5-year dashboard. You can track your business's 5-year trend. Here is the total income, expense, and profit of the 5-year. You have achieved 16% of the target revenue you have set. The tables show the revenue from each category by years. The tables show the expense from each category by years. The custom dashboard allows you to track performance over a specific time period. Select the starting date and ending date here. The comparison dashboard allows you to compare the performance of 2 different time periods. This is the automated profit and loss statement. It compares this year's performance with last year's. The improvement is calculated as a percentage. You have increased your profit by 230% compared to 2024. Please key in your task name, category, priority, status, deadline, person in charge in this table. You may filter the task by selecting the category from drop-down. You may filter task by month, category, priority, status, person in charge. Please tick the checkbox to remove the accomplished task. Lastly, the competitor tracker. Enter your product and competitor's product. Enter the feature of the product. Check the box if your product is the best in that particular feature. The product with highest point is shown above.